Hey guys, today we're at the JW Marriott Marquis in Dubai at the Business Bay Resort here. I'm coming back to this beautiful property after 8 years and a lot has changed. Today I'm going to walk you through a review of the sea view room of the JW Marriott here in Business Bay, Dubai, and walk you through the room and all the features that are here. I'm coming back after 8 years. A lot has changed. That's really impressive. Can't wait to share all that and more with you all. So more to come. As soon as you enter the room, you've got a nice little workstation here with a full-size mirror for a better view of your room, 2 table lamps. They were also kind enough to give me a graduation card and cake, actually. They asked us if we were celebrating anything, and we told them we were here to celebrate my graduation. And so that was a really kind gesture, along with some fruits, as you can see. Really nice, comfortable chair. You've got 2 sofas right here, overlooking the Dubai skyline, which we'll take a look at in just a bit. A nice size TV there, nothing special, but lots of space for your luggage, as you can see. I love that full-size painting on the wall. I think that just adds to the aesthetic of the overall room. And then you've got a nice king-size bed here. Pretty amazing, pretty decent. I don't know about you, but you can get a really good night's sleep here on that mattress. Let's take a look at the view before we take a look at the room and take a look at this magnificent Dubai skyline. This property is the tallest 5-star hotel in the world. It is the second tallest hotel in the world, overtaken by another hotel in Dubai, but that's a 4-star. So JW Marriott is still the tallest 5-star hotel in the world. And as you can see, it overlooks this canal that goes all the way over to the sea right there. So it's just an all in all beautiful view. And it's surrounded by other mega skyscrapers as well. You can see the Hilton right there. So pretty amazing view no matter what part of the hotel you're living in. You've got your closets and some storage space here. Nothing fancy. Nice coffee maker right here. They're pretty generous with the amount of water they give you. I think we get like 8 to 10 bottles a day. It is insane. Right here, you've got a little mini bar, but there's really nothing in the mini bar. And it's not even a fridge, it's just a little cooler. You've got some closet space here. You've got some space for your luggage, more storage space with a hairdryer, I guess. Let's take a look at one of these right here. An ironing stand with an iron, bathrobe, slippers, just the usual, but not bad. Some extra pillows there just in case you weren't comfortable. Let's take a quick peek into the bathroom. This comes with a sliding door. It's pretty amazing. Slides all the way down. As you enter, you've got a nice little sink. Unfortunately, only just one sink, but what I love about this is you can see the frosted glass through to your bedroom right there. A pretty nice countertop. As you can see, it fits a lot. Some extra towels over there. They've got a lot of amenities in that black box in the bottom left. You've got a little weighing scale here just to make sure you're not putting on some extra pounds while you're in Dubai. A nice sized bathtub that can fit 2, a little handy shower. You've got a standing shower here, obviously. The cool thing about this is the door opens both ways, so it can open this way, or you could open it inwards like so. It's pretty convenient if you're showering. Nothing special, but nice, decent shower. Works. Obviously, you've got the toilet area here with a nice little painting. There you go. Extra storage space, a bidet. So final verdict, JW Marriott in Dubai is an amazing property for what it offers compared to the cost. So we came here in the month of August. That is actually off season. So off season is Dubai, in Dubai is anytime after May through October. October through May is actually on season where the weather is nicer, it's not as hot. A lot of the tourists come during that time frame, and so the prices of hotels and everything else skyrockets. We're in the month of August, So this hotel costed us about $100 a night, which was not bad. And upon check-in, the hotel staff was also kind enough to give us free breakfast in their flagship Kitchen 6 restaurant, which actually gives you the option to go there, or their Business Bay restaurant on the 6th floor, or the La Farine Bakery on the ground floor, which is also open to um, outside individuals that are not staying in the hotel otherwise. I've stayed at this hotel 8 years ago. Like I said, a lot has changed. It just seems like Marriott has just upped their game in terms of the service, the hospitality. We got a room upgrade to the sea view room, free breakfast. We get, housekeeping twice a day, which is pretty amazing and insane. So all in all, if you're in Dubai for a long period of time and you're on a budget, you can you can check out other low budget hotels as well, but Marriott, 5-star, tallest hotel in the world, compared to what you get in return, this is going to be the best bang for your buck. So I would totally recommend it. And they've got 14 or 19 restaurants in the hotel, so you don't really have to go anywhere, ranging all the way from a steakhouse to an Indian restaurant, a Japanese restaurant, an American restaurant. They've got bars, cigar lounges, whatever you need is right here, and it's pretty conveniently located about 5 minutes from Dubai Mall and Burj Khalifa. So all in all, I would give it a 10 on 10, and see you on the next one.